Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Google Trends for content creation. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Trends and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the homepage, you're going to find Made with Trends. You're going to find Get Started with Trends, and you can also from here find some resources to learn what it can do and how to use it. So, one of these resources is What is Google Trends? You can also find the basics of Google Trends, understanding the data, and advanced Google Trends. Right here in the top, if you go to Explore, from here you can search for any term or any topic. So, for example, you can search for a topic that you're interested in for content creation. And for example, I'm going to choose a term from here. For example, AI, AI chat. And right here, you can select the country. For example, I'm going to select worldwide. From here, you can select the time, the category, and also if you want to select web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, or YouTube search. For example, if you are a content creator, you can choose YouTube search. You can compare the topic to another topic if you want. Right here, you're going to find the timeline. And if you scroll down, you're going to find the interest by region and also the list that have the countries that are interested in. And for example, the topic, the first country that is interested to the topic is China. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.